done. You still need to update.
Sorry,
Okay,
sorry, Doctor.
Yeah.
About the citation from the Mendeley, which site is allowed for UTM thesis? Which type of site?
Okay, you in the thesis manual writing, UTM writing, thesis writing style, they have 3 style for citation. Okay, they have 3 style for citation. First, you can choose. Okay, you can choose APA. Okay, APA.
Yeah.
Here APA. Now they have 8 edition, but currently in my notebook, they allow me until up to 7 version. Okay, APA 7 version, 7 edition.
Yeah.
At the moment, I think they have APA 8 edition. You can choose which one the latest. Doesn't matter. Okay, APA. The second one is a Harvard. Okay, Harvard. And the third one is numbering style, not Chicago. Okay, not IEEE, but this seem like IEEE. I try to open. I cannot remember this one.
Okay. Thank you.
They have three style number. Okay, I try to find. Oh, sorry. They have 3 styles. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. They have Harvard or Vancouver. Okay, Vancouver. They have Harvard system style. Okay, Harvard and APA almost similar, but they have different of the indentation. And the number, if you use the numbering style, you can use the Vancouver. Okay, so in UTM thesis template style or UTM thesis guideline, they only or allow you only use these 3 style for your references. Okay, all right. Come back to the question. Okay, for those who took any photo or tables from other source, okay, so you can do the citation here. For example, here maybe let's say for Azman 2019, okay, or maybe you can put here Azman 2019, okay. Some maybe you put source, okay. Some you direct quote, okay. This one from who, okay, for where you took this photo, okay. You can put in this source. All right.
Hello, Doctor.
Yeah.
I have one question. Let's say in the figure caption, I choose the caption for figure. Do I need to adjust also to the center of the text, or Doctor? Is it automatic or what?
Automatic.
Okay.
Automatic. Kalau if
So just choose the caption for figure and it will automatically center the text, Doctor. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, understand. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So you can create your figure. Okay. So if you already have the figure, okay, you can create a figure. Okay. And then, for example, I believe all of you have many photo and figures sometimes. Okay. For example, here, maybe I just put here. All right. I try to put here. Okay. I just enter. If you enter, you have more spacing here, very big gap. Okay. You just highlight. Okay. Highlight and clear. Okay. Highlight this one and clear all. Clear the format. And this one, clear. Clear all the format. All right. So now, let's say I want to have others figure. Okay, I believe maybe you have 2, 3, 4 figure. Okay, what you need to do? okay, you just insert tables. Okay, so maybe you have, okay, many figures here. Okay, and then here maybe you can you can put the photo. Okay, for example, where my photo? Now with the photo, I just try to copy any photo. Actually, I have this photo. Wait for a while. Okay, for example, okay, I have this photo, okay, and I want to put here, okay, this first photo, and then I have another photo. Okay, this how creative you uh, arrange all the photo. Okay, for example here, okay, you have many photos, so you can arrange, okay, uh, in your thesis or in your writing style. Okay, okay, so maybe I just put it down, okay, for more clear. So okay, and this one, for example, okay, and I have more photo here. Okay, for example here, okay, and then this one, for example. Okay, all right. So for example here, okay, I have 6 photo here. Okay, so maybe not too big here. Okay, I just put in the center, click into the center. Okay, you can also click this one and put in the center, all the photo in the center. Okay, tak boleh belas. Okay, so for example here, all right, I try to put in one page here. Okay, all right, so you can type here, all right, this A, or you want to put in the bracket A. Okay, this one enter, you put B. Okay, if you want to make it much better, maybe you can put in one row here. Okay, a bit adjust. Okay, this one you just enter. All right, put at the center. Okay, C. All right, here again. Okay, this one you can put your cursor here. Enter. Okay, put at the center. Okay, D. Okay, and this one enter. Okay, E. 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 And this one F, for example, F. Okay, so you have many photo here. Okay, you want to put in one caption, or you want to group in one group of photo. Okay, uh, you can create a 6 box. Okay, 6 boxes, and then here caption. Okay, this caption you must merge. Okay, merge this cell. Okay, then again, all right, the simply way, the faster way, if you want to create the figure, okay, I just copy this caption. I just copy this caption, the existing caption, okay, Control C. I just put here, Control V, all right. And then here, I just highlight this one, right click, update field. Automatically they will change figure 4.2. Okay, 4.2. And then I don't like to see the border. I just click this one at the top left corner and go to the border style, and no border. All right, no border. Okay, so you can have this one. Okay, you can type this one. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, A. Okay, A. You want to explain apa? You want to explain what? Okay, A, the type of block, for example. All right. B, okay, B, what? be a groove, for example. Okay, groove block. Okay, comma, and then C. Okay, C what? Transducer. Okay, comma D what? Okay, D layout for it. Okay. E what? E for view. Okay, for example, view of block. And D and E F. F position of transducer, for example. Okay. All right. So okay, so now you have more than one rows for this caption. Okay, so you need to change caption for 2 lines. Okay, there is an example. If you want to create, okay, you have many photos, then you want to create in the same group. Okay, so you can put into 6 column. Okay, so you can attach all this one and you put A, B, C, D, E, or 1, 2, 3. And then you describe all these section, all the photos. Okay, so you also can create on this part. Okay, this is how you want to create the figure, right? And then
Sorry, Dr. Azman.
yeah,
Antes here. Oh my.
Hello, my name is Timothy Sumanwa.
sorry. Okay, yeah.
Hello? Yeah, my name is Sumanwa Timothy Hams. Now, still on the entry of the figure, creation of figures. Is it ideal to import it from a source if I know the source?
Okay, so this depend on you. If this is your work, okay, this is your work, meaning that you no need to put any sources. If you took any photo from other sources, you must mention from where you took that photo. Okay.
Yes.
So in this part, if you took it from other sources, you must write. Okay. You must do the citation. You must cite. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So one other issue on successful importation of a figure or photo to the box is created. Some of the pictures like figure A now, figure 4.2A in the one you just created is shorter than the one in figure B. Now in situations like this, supposing I'm able to adjust figure B, 4.2B, so that it is on the same level and there's extra space under A and under B, that is before C and D. Now, if I try to drag the line so that it will cover the other space just before the labeling of the figures, it doesn't move up. In situations like this, what do I do to actually get these things done? Because when you look at what is happening, especially under E and F, we still have space even before the figure caption. Now,
okay, this one is more how creative you during your writing. That's why they have a writing style. Okay, everybody. That's why these they're very straightforward and simply way. If you try to make the group of photo. Okay, for example, okay, in your case, okay, maybe what that you need to explain one by one. Okay, for you want to create figure 4.2A, figure 4.2B, figure 4.2C. Okay, that is you can create individual blocks. Okay. Sorry, individual photo, individual figure. Okay, individual figure, not combined into one figure. Or okay, if you want to still want to do like this, okay, what you need to do, all right, here maybe you can put 4.2A. All right, 4.2A. Okay, this one I just put it down first. Okay, 4.2A. Okay, for example here. So,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think it's a little bit not close to what I'm trying to answer.
Yeah.
Actually, a space can remain. A space can remain and there is a space normally under the figure, and ideally, it's not supposed to be too much spacing within the block. For instance, under figure 4.2C and E and F, you see there is still a space under it, and then coupled with the one inside the figure caption box. Now, how do I reduce these spaces? Then after reducing, what is the actual spacing between a figure and the next text, and between the figure and the preceding text?
That's why this one, I more, there is a how the style that one you want to create. Okay, how creative you to arrange the photo. How creative you, in your mind, maybe you want to do the photo in not the portrait position, but on the landscape orientation. And how the photo look like? Is it there's more on the portrait or longest, or there is a side? Okay, the position of the size of the photo as well. So that is how you want to arrange it. Maybe you just we just have 3 rows. Okay, for example like this. Okay, I just copy this one. Okay, for example. Okay, for example, I just have this photo, like this one. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this one we can combine this one and this one. Okay, merge this one. Okay, merge cell. Okay, we put at the center. Okay, it's more on the how creative you, okay, and how that you want to arrange your photo. Okay. So it's a depend on your creativity. Okay, so that's why it's you don't have any what we call restrict on that. Okay, as long as how you want to manage, okay, on this part. Okay, and then how is it? Okay, for example, this one. Okay, I just put this one. Okay, in the center. Okay, so I just put like this. Okay, also can. All right, also can. You want to adjust on this. Okay, okay, and then this one. All right. So there is no restrict on that. So how you want to create? Okay, as long as that is what we call easy and the reader understand. Yeah. So if you have this one, for example, you want to say something about this one. Okay, this one, let's say you want to describe, okay, the caption on that photo. Okay, so this one, let's say, okay, block of square, let's say, for example. Okay, and then you put source. Okay, then maybe, okay, Azman 2019 also can. Okay, and this one is a general. This one is a general caption here for all. Okay, also can. Okay, also can. So how creative you to arrange on this part? Okay.
Okay, the last issue, sir. The last issue now.
Yeah.
The last issue, what is the actual spacing between a text that comes before a figure or table and a text that comes after a figure or table?
As long as they have 1.5, the minimum is 1.5, one line.
Between, no, I mean before or after.
Before and after also you can put one line. If you we write on the thesis, okay, we have more space. Okay, if we can provide, okay, 1 or 2 line is a maximum. Okay, as long as they have gap between figure to figure or photo to photo. Okay, and look nice. Okay, they're not that specific on that. Okay. Sometimes I'm for my student, I encourage my student, if the photo is very useful and you want to highlight on that photo is most important, you must enlarge the maximum as can. So the reader will understand that is the most important, and you put the caption in the photo.
Okay.
So meaning that is something important.
Yes, sir. I'm not actually talking about the caption, sir. Supposing a figure is inserted after a paragraph. So between that paragraph and the figure, or the paragraph and the table, and then after the figure or table now, the next paragraph or subheading and the next subheading, what will be the separation between it and the table or the figure?
Okay, this one is the writing style. Okay, where you want to arrange, where you want to put the figure, the table, position. Okay, but the most important, any figure and tables must be explained first, then come followed by the figure or tables. Okay. So how you want to arrange in the middle or in the bottom? Okay, if you use the LaTeX, yes, maybe they have some position you need to assign. But this one, okay, if better, okay, you arrange, okay, you must how you write, okay, and then you want to edit, okay. The most important thing, the explanation come first. Then the figure or bottom or the figure of or table follow by the follow. Okay, I mean after that, after the figure.
Okay. Thank you so much.
If you at the bottom or at the top, the next page, okay, so it look how that you arrange it. Okay, so the flow of your story, the flow of your explanation. Okay, maybe you just explain the previous text, okay, and the figure or photo become to the next page at the top of the page. Okay, so it doesn't matter, but the flow is the explanation come first, then followed by the table and figures.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Thank
Okay,
you
just
so
now, is someone to ask me, the ladies, I'm not sure who.
Yes. I'm Puan Tantish. Actually, I want to ask if you were to copy the citation or the work that we have done from the previous file. I'm sorry, you have answered this before, but I couldn't understand it. We want to copy with the citation. What will be the format for you to paste it in our format? Paste text or paste what?
Paste only.
Paste je.
Copy paste saja. So they will bring all the format, the previous format they can bring to the new file.
The citation pun dia bawa
Session saya boleh bawa juga, betul.
Okay. That's the question. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So now is the figure. Okay, the same thing. How you want to create the tables? Okay, so if you want to look more nice, okay, so please try to follow the general format. So because later if you want to write any conference paper, journal paper, so easy you to just copy and put in your template of that journal format. Okay, so better you try to I believe you all read a lot of journals, so better you try to look which journal that maybe very nice to you, and you want to follow that format, how they write or how they produce the figure and tables according that format. So later on, if you produce any journal, it's easy to you. Okay. And again also, okay, how you want to produce tables. Okay, table is table. It's quite simple. Okay, just now why? Okay, why reason I put all the photo in the table just now. Okay, I don't want you just put this photo on, okay, for example, okay, this photo here. All right, and put the center, okay, and put the caption here. And later you want to put, maybe you have something to highlight in this photo. For example, I want to highlight on this part. And then later you have the editing. You want to edit. You want to enter. Sometimes the text is gone like this and go like this and go this side, go this side and go the other side. Okay, so better, okay, you arrange in this box, so everything in this part. Okay, but they have another option. Okay, they have another style how you want to produce the interactive figure. Okay, this is another part. Okay, I am also I can guide you how to produce the interactive figure. We use the Visio, Visio, Visio. Okay, there's another tools. Okay, how to make it a more better figure. Okay, that's the other part. But that is the way how you want to produce figure. Okay, put in the text into the tables. Okay, or all the photo input put in the tables, not just simply put here like this. Okay, this I not encourage you on how you want to produce figure. Okay, is use what that maybe many students use this style. Okay, I not encourage on that because that will affect later during your editing. Okay, if you want to copy paste and so on, you want to move the figure into other page and so on. Okay, all right, and then okay, I try to produce the tables here. Okay, table is table. Just now is figure, but the same way, the same procedure how you want to produce tables. Okay, so if you want to produce table, okay, you can go to insert, go to tables. Okay, so you can arrange how many parameter that you want to put in this table, for example. Okay, so how many? Okay, good. How to you? All right, but okay, you must understand. The caption of tables at top, okay, at top of the tables, okay, not at the bottom. Figure, okay, the caption at the bottom of the photo or at the at any figure, okay. But for tables, okay, the caption on top of the tables, okay. So for example here, okay, I want to put the tables, okay, the same step, okay, go to the references menu, okay, click references, and again, insert caption, all right. Okay, so here, label, you change this label, change the label to tables, okay, tables, and again check, okay, if the number is not correct, so ensure that in the format, okay, you produce 1, 2, 3, and tick include chapter number. Okay, chapter number we follow by heading 1. Heading 1 is a chapter number, okay, and the use separator. Use separator, we use the period, meaning that we can produce 6.1, okay, not 6-1, okay. Then click OK, and okay. If you see here, okay, they will produce table, meaning that is correct. Okay, so all right, just click OK, then press tab button. All right, tab button. Then the next step, you assign as the caption for tables here. They have also two caption for table, 2 lines. Okay. All right. So caption for table, if your caption is short, okay, so they will arrange in the center. Okay, for example, like for example, this one, okay, this I can say the maybe the properties. Okay, properties of concrete, for example. Okay, so you have this parameter. For example, okay, I just put 3. Okay, for example here, okay, strength, tensile, okay, and maybe here, okay, what is the ratio? For example, okay, for example, then you put at the center, okay, just put at the center, go home and put the center here. All right. So normally, okay, if you write, okay, your tables, okay, from in the beginning, your writing style, okay, follow the journal, okay, journal writing, journal format, okay, for the tables. So how? Okay, so normally for this one, okay, they don't have the vertical line, okay, they only have, okay, they only have for this one the first line, second line of this parameter, followed by the last line, okay, at the bottom, okay, line only. Okay, so what you need to do here, okay, so I will say here, go right click, go to border style or text or table properties, okay, you can go to the border and shading, okay, so you can just untick on this part, okay, and this one. Okay, this one, let's say I just table properties, okay, border and shading. This one they have, this one you don't have. Right. Okay, all right. Oh, and this one, the vertical line, okay, we don't want the vertical line. Okay, all right, if I just unactive the show and hide, okay, so they look like this, okay, look like this, okay, the strength tensile and the data here, okay, the data here. So this the way how we produce the tables, okay, according to journal, most of the journals, okay. So there is I encourage you from the beginning of your writing style, okay, you try to have, okay, to follow this style, okay. Just now this how we create the figure, and this one how we create the tables, okay, the tables. So I encourage you to create, okay, this table style, okay, so you can create more and more. Yeah.
Doc, I have two questions. One of it is, let's say we have a table in Excel format. Is it
Okay.
advisable for us to copy from the Excel format, or do we need to do a new table in the Microsoft this thesis format? And then the second question is, let's say we have one big table which is suitable to put it in one page in landscape format, not portrait format. So how can we arrange it into this format, because of this is in portrait format, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
that's the
yes.
question.
Okay, all right, good. Okay, basically, the second question is we going to do after this. Okay, no problem. All right. Okay, how we want to copy, okay, the tables that maybe the data you already created in the Excel. So how we want to copy into Word, okay. Basically, if you copy, okay, they have two way, okay, they have two way. That's why it also during your writing, maybe you can have the experience, okay, while you're writing. So how the easy way, how you want to copy the data from or tables from the Excel to Word document. Okay. First, if you just copy straightly, paste into words, okay, then they will make you higher wire. Maybe the space in the Word document is not enough. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, the other way, maybe you can copy and paste into the table that you create later, okay, and in the document file. Okay, so you can create the tables, okay, how many rows, how many column, then you copy all the data, okay, all the numbers into that tables, okay, but sometimes it's not good, or it's not sufficient boxes or place, okay. That is not that you need to try on that. But I also, if you have not too many data from the Excel, maybe easy you to copy and paste to Word. If you have maybe a lot of data from the Excel, okay, so what you need to do, okay, there's that you need to try, okay. But my experience, okay, what I did, okay, I arrange in the Excel file, okay, already arranged in the proper way, okay, how that I plan later I will totally just copy and maybe what it become the image and just paste into uh, this document file, okay, from that's why in the Excel, okay, I just put the line, the border line, and properly that I want to copy directly straightly from the Excel file, and I just unhide, okay, all the line in the Excel and background with white, okay, and I will convert to the image, then copy paste to document. Okay, if you have many numbers, okay, many. If not many, is a very easy, okay, or you can strictly copy and paste if you can manage in one page. If not too many, and it quite simple. Okay, if you if it is complicated or many numbers, okay, so you can try to another way. Okay, this depend on your experience and how do you need to try. Okay, which one that you can do with your own on that part. Okay, so that is based on your what we call experience, based on your what we call which one that you keen to do. Okay, which one? If like this, okay, better you can produce that one. This one you need to try on that. Okay, and for the second question, okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, we're going to do that. How if, okay, you want to produce the tables, okay, they have many information, okay, you have many data, okay, you want to produce in the landscape, okay, in the landscape, okay. So how is it? Okay, basically, okay, for example here, okay, if you want to produce table, okay, maybe you can just copy this table, Control C, and then for example, I just want to have this one. Okay, I just activate this show and hide. Okay, for example, I have many. Okay, I have many rows here. Okay, I can put. Oh, sorry. Okay, I just put here. Okay, I enter. I just produce rows, and maybe I can produce insert column on right. Okay, so I have more tables here. Okay, and this one I just highlight, right click, and update field. So the automatic will change 6.2 here. Okay, this is a easy way, the faster way. You just copy and update the tables. Okay, for let's say you have what you call a lot of data you want to put in the table, and you change to the landscape. Sorry, the landscape, from portrait to landscape. So how you want to produce the tables in the landscape mode. Okay, landscape mode. Okay, so how is it? Okay, for example here, okay, I want to produce this summary 2. Okay, I want to produce this table, okay, and this table in this page, okay, to landscape mode. Okay, so how is it? All right, so you need to have the break section before that page. Okay, the break section. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, so here, all right, you need to have the break. Okay, so this the last page before the tables that you want to do in landscape mode. Okay, so go to layout. Okay, we insert the break. Okay, break. So you can also choose the continuous. Okay, continuous. Okay, continuous. All right. Then this one, they already have the break. Okay, break section here before the new section. Okay, this one, okay, you have already break section here, and this one, okay, this page, you just change the orientation, go to landscape. Okay, so what happened? All right, okay, so you can see, oh, sorry. All right, okay, so now you can see, okay, the previous one break into the portrait, okay, portrait style, okay, and the next page become to landscape. Okay, then you can just enter this one. Okay, if the section break, okay, go more further down, so they will create another page, okay, in the same mode, the same orientation. Okay, see. So if you want to remain only one page, so this section break should be in that page only. Okay, all right, so this one. So if you have this table, for example, okay, Control C, okay, for example, this one, this table, you want to create into this. Okay, so you could have, okay, maybe you can add more insert in the right column. Okay, so maybe you have more copy, you can copy. Sorry, you can insert more, or otherwise, okay, otherwise here, okay, you can delete cell, okay. All right, you can insert the table here. Okay, how many table that you want to create? Okay, so you can, okay, if you move to another, they create another page, so you just delete this one. Okay, delete and make sure the section break at the same page. Okay, all right. Okay, and also another part. Okay, others. Okay, if you want to change the orientation. Okay, and do remind. Okay, if you change the orientation of this page, okay, the numbers at the bottom of the page. Okay, the bottom of the page. Okay, whatever that is, no problem. You just print out, and then this paper you just during the binding, you just change the position. Okay, and later the number become at the uh, side, not at the bottom of the what we call the binding file, the binding paper. Okay, they will change the number will become at the side here. It's not more at the bottom. Okay, doesn't matter on that. Just do it. Okay, there is nothing to adjust the number at the top here and become later if during your binding the number will be at the bottom. No. Okay, just you change the orientation, then the number become at the at side, not at the bottom anymore. Okay. Okay. If another part also, okay, if you want to create, okay, others, okay, this example already done, have been done. Okay. So if you want to also create another, for example here, okay, in the middle here, for example, you want to have one page, okay, at the middle of your chapter, okay, landscape orientation. Okay, again, if in the middle you need two section break, okay, two section break. Okay, so first, okay, I just put the cursor here. Okay, just be here. Okay, first we do, okay, you put section break. Okay, continuous here. Okay, and then, okay, I just allow maybe a few rows here, and the next one here, okay, I put cursor here, few rows at the bottom of the section break. Okay, and then I just push continuous. Okay, and then I enter this one. Okay, not continuous. Sorry, not continuous. Next page. Sorry, this one. If you put continuous, you cannot change this orientation. Okay. Okay, this one I change to, all right, to section break next page. Okay, and this one also, okay, I just reserve few rows here, and I put cursor at the third or fourth rows here. Okay, insert again next page. All right, so next page. Okay, this is the page that I create here. Okay, this one is a blank page. So this page, okay, this page I will change to the landscape. All right. Okay. So this break section and this section change to the landscape. Okay. So you can enter down here. If you enter this section break next page to next to other page. Okay. So they will create two pages. Okay. So if you want to create two pages, okay, you can enter more here. Otherwise, you just remain into one page. Okay. This section break. Okay, so you can create this section break. Okay, next page and change to landscape. Okay, so meaning that you have two section break. Okay, at the top before the page of the landscape, and one section break at the bottom of the landscape orientation. Okay, landscape page. Okay, so you can try on that. Okay. And then,
Hi, sorry for interrupting.
yeah,
Do you mind please repeating just very briefly how you inserted the table at the very beginning? I think I lost connectivity for about 2 minutes there. So how it became a shaded link just for the
okay.
table.
All right.
Thank you.
So, okay. So if you want to put the tables, okay, in the landscape, okay, just now, is it, if I can, if I not answer your question, okay, can you repeat it again after this, okay? That if you want to put the table inside this landscape, okay, you just, okay, for the easy way, the faster way, okay, first you just, okay, copy this any caption, okay, because we just want to do very fast, okay, this caption, just copy, and then go to that table just now, that page, okay, this is a page, okay, Control V, all right, and then we insert the tables, okay, if you have many tables here, you can create how many tables that you like, okay, so if you want more tables here also, you can create the tables, and here ensure here the table number, okay, you need to highlight and update, okay, so they will automatically change with at the specific chapter and position and table number, okay, and again here, okay, you also, I encourage you, okay, to highlight this table and produce the table according to journal format, okay, so what you need to highlight this table, right click, okay, go to table properties, okay, go to border and shading. All right, so we look at the preview here. We don't want the line, okay, vertical line, okay, we just untick the vertical line, okay, and we just produce, okay, we untick the middle line, okay, the row line, okay, the horizontal line, okay, in this table, okay, and then click OK. All right, so we look back, okay, just only reproduce top and bottom line, okay, in the middle here, okay, in the first row, we need the line, okay, to have this line, okay, we can click highlight and click bottom line here, okay, this bottom border, okay.
Thank you for your explanation. Cuma sorry, my question was actually how do I create the table 4.1? That's the part that I missed actually. Just now you copy pasted it from the initial table.
Yeah.
Let's say I'm creating the first table. How do I create the first table?
Okay, so
Thank
all
you.
right. All right. So for example, okay, you want to create the first table, okay, new table, okay. So you just put the cursor, okay, any row that or any page that you want to create the tables, okay, tables and figures, okay. The procedure is the same procedure, but just choose different label only. Okay, just click your cursor here, go to references, okay, go to references, then insert caption, okay, insert caption, go to click insert caption. All right, so you can change this one. You want to create what? Equation, figure, or table, okay, in the same style, okay, the same part, just you change this one. Okay, for example, you want to create table, so you click the table, okay, or label for tables, okay, and you just check, okay, is it the number is correct. Okay, now we work on the chapter 4, okay, this is they already created, okay, table number 4.2. If you want to check, okay, but you go to the numbering, okay, and then we check the format number. Okay, normally the number style is 1, 2, 3, okay, and then we must tick include chapter number, okay, and the chapter number we follow at the heading 1. So this we also refer to the heading 1 and use separator, okay, use period, okay, they have many hyphen, period, colon, and so on, but we use the period, okay, and click OK, and then OK. All right, okay, so they already put the table, okay, and then before you change, you assign to caption, okay, press the tab button, okay, and then you can choose the style, okay, the table caption, okay, caption for tables, okay, so you can write down whatever the table title or caption for this one, okay. So it's the first time if you use to create the tables and also figure and then you just copy and update. It's much easy, okay, faster. But you must know how to create a table and figure as well. All right. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to ask a question. I don't know if you have actually talked about it, but sometimes you have a table that is so long that may likely have to extend to another page or two pages. So, and maybe you want to repeat, in Excel, it is easier to repeat the headings, the first row. But in Word, I want to know how we can, or do we just allow the thing to that to order?
Yeah.
You get my question, sir?
Yes. Okay. For example here, all right.
Yes, sir.
You have many tables. Okay, for this one. Okay, for example here. All right. This in your template here, they have example for tables. It's too long. Okay, it's too long here. Okay, so this the first way. Okay, if you want to create a table, it's too long. Okay, the table 5.1 here, and you just continue up to next page, and then just continue as usual. Okay, this first one. Okay, the second one, if you want to repeat the caption, okay, this one, the caption here, okay, into the next page here. Okay, into the next page.
So it's not the caption, sir. I mean the title, the first row, like where you have the titles, so that and if the reader is reading, he can see the headings of each column.
This one you need to repeat. Okay, to repeat, you just copy this title and paste at the new table at the new page and create the new title. That's another way.
Okay.
No other way.
Okay,
It's the straightforward. Okay, all right. Okay.
It's okay. All right.
Doctor?
Yeah.
Hello, sir?
Sorry, doctor.
Yeah,
Sorry, about the repeat caption, please. They not allow you to complete it. Please complete the repeat caption.
Hello, sir?
Yeah.
Remember when we inserted figures and caption, we drew 2 rows and 1 column, square, for table. So in that one, for a table, can we still put the caption for table by merging the boxes up, the cells?
Oh, you mean what you mean just now? Okay, we want to create the tables. Okay.
Yes.
The table is 2 row and 1 column. No.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Then you
not 2 rows and 1 column. We have a table, and now we want to put the caption. Is it ideal to merge the first row, all the cells, and then put the caption there?
Oh, you want to put inside this row?
Yes.
Can.
Okay,
Same as figure just now we did.
Yeah.
But you want to put these tables, okay, inside this first row. Also can.
Yes.
Also
Okay.
can. Yes.
Okay.
Also
Thank you
can.
so much.
Yeah.
Sir. Thank you so much.
That is a good understanding. If you want to do that, I think sometimes get also benefit. If you copy and paste all the table and easy, that the position of the caption, okay, always on the top of the tables. Okay. That also yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor. Can I share one idea? Is it okay?
Yes.
It's okay because of if you want to do repeat header when a table crosses over more than a page, there is a way to do the repeat header automatically. You highlight the table, the first of the row, all of it. Then you left click. Then there will be if you left click, you go to table properties. After table properties, go to the cell. I mean row. Row. Go to row. Then there is a you tick repeat as header.
as header, row, and
Yeah.
top and
So
each
if
page.
you say
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
it will continue to repeat
Yes.
automatically.
Yes.
Thank
I
you, sir.
think, yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, I think, all right.
Okay, thank you,
Yes,
Salisu.
okay, thank you for the sharing. Okay, so it also seem like the Excel. Okay, if you go the table property and also at the row, you can repeat. Okay, at the header and row at the each page. Okay, that's good. Okay, this table already created with this repeat as a header. Okay, so it's a thank you very much. Okay, for those who are sharing this now. Okay, it's a yes, this will be automatic. Okay, they will repeat at the first header. Okay, at the every tables in the others page. Okay, good. All right, thank you. All right.
Is it a mistake or wrong if I show the all vertical lines and horizontal lines in the table?
Sorry.
Is it allowed to show the vertical lines and horizontal lines? Because I have more than 100 tables in my thesis and they are long tables, sometimes 2 or 3 pages. So I have the horizontal lines and vertical lines. Is it allowed or
yeah, this can. That's why there's a writing style only. Okay, a writing style. If you need to have that vertical and horizontal line, also can. Nothing problem on that. Okay, that's why if normally in a table sometimes we don't have too many rows and too many columns. That's why in the journal format, in journal writing, they have a few column and few rows only. That's why I encourage you to do that. If you need that line, vertical and horizontal line, doesn't matter on that. Okay, as long as that you can maintain the writing style. Okay, if you in the beginning you do on that style, so until the end you can remain that style. Okay, how the consistency, your writing style, that is the most important. Okay.
Yeah, and the text itself, is it at the center of the cell or left side of the cell? The text, the titles, and the numbers.
Better depend on the data that you want to present. Okay, some maybe the number basically maybe better in the center, in the middle. Okay, they more look nice. Okay, rather than you put left. But sometimes maybe they have many. So which one that maybe look more nice? Okay, so which one that is maybe the your supervisor what we call is happy with that table that you produce. Which one? Okay, this is no others what we call straight on that. Okay, so how that you want to create on that. Okay, how the reader feeling on that what that you did. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Doctor, I have a question.
Yes.
For the long table, how can I add the caption in the next page?
Okay, so all right. So just repeat again. Okay, you just highlight these tables. Okay, highlight these tables and go to the table properties. Okay, sorry, table properties. Okay, right click, go to table properties. Okay, table properties. Then you go to rows. Okay, they have many tables. Okay, you go to click to row menu here. Okay, and then they have here repeat as header row at the top. Okay, pick this
Doctor,
one.
I'm talking about the title. I mean the table 5.1.
Okay, table 5.1. Okay, so sorry. What just now? You want to repeat these tables?
In the
This
next page,
table
yeah.
caption.
Yes,
Okay.
doctor.
All right. So if like this, okay, you want to repeat. Okay, some of you maybe you want to do the other way. Okay, so that's why this writing style. Okay, maybe you can copy. All right, and you want to repeat on this part. Okay, so if like this, okay, so this one, okay, this title, okay, this is another way. Okay, this one is a continue from previous. If you do that, okay, so maybe here on this part I cannot do this one. You must untick. Okay, what that you this style. Okay, I will encourage you on this Okay. All right. Okay. So here, okay, I just highlight on this and merge this cell. Okay. And then I will table property here and the cell, and the table here. I will delete on this line at the top. Okay. And then I just copy this text. Okay. Okay. This one I copy paste text, not copy paste. Copy and paste text only. Okay. So this one you can put at the center. All right, and then you write continue. Okay, continue. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
thank you, teacher.
This one cannot be linked. Okay, this one only have link. Okay, because if you put link here, you update, it become 5.2. All right, so you just copy and paste the text only and put continue. Okay, this
So
is another way.
if I don't add the table 5.1 on the second page, is it still okay?
Yeah, still okay. Still okay. Yeah, still okay.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Okay, all right. All right,
Okay,
so
Doctor, Assalamu
yeah.
alaikum. Sorry for interrupting you, Doctor. My question is about citation of the glossary and names, glossary terms and acronyms. Do you need to put a table for it in the beginning or not? And the other question it is about what about the other language, if they're Arabic or verses from Holy Quran? How can we citate it and put a table for it in the beginning?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So the first question is how we want to put what the caption. Sorry.
The glossary, that mean the specific term of name of things,
Mm-hmm.
and the acronyms. It is that the long name that I shorted, make a short of it. So I saw many pieces they are putting in the beginning a table or paper to
Okay.
make definition for this word, short
Mm.
word. And the second question is about uh, uh, citations, the Holy Quran, first from Holy Quran, and how can we put it? And the name of the authors or the source, because there are no author for the Quran, but how can we
Mm-hmm.
say?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right.
Thank you, Professor.
So the first one, okay, sometime, okay, for the abbreviation, this one we can call into abbreviation category. Okay, so some style, okay, other style, okay, maybe they just put, let's say for A, B, C, for example here, A, B, C. But at the bottom of these tables, okay, the bottom of these tables, okay, they will put not here. Okay, sometimes they put not here. Not here. Okay, not. Okay, so sometimes they will put A, B, C, meaning, okay, what? Something. They put the legend, like the legend at the bottom of the tables. Okay, so you can do on that. Okay, so this one. Okay, so maybe or maybe they have a synonym, or maybe you repeating the abbreviation, okay, repeating. So you just put the any symbol here, okay, too many times. Also, they just also repeat the same thing. Okay, so this another what you call the option. Okay, how that your writing style. Okay, this also become to your writing style. So how you want to do that. Okay, there is a varies also. If you can look any journals, maybe they produce the other ways. Okay, so you also can use, okay, follow the other option. Okay, so it depend on you also. Okay, and if you want to put, okay, or you want to cite during the Holy Quran and so on. Okay, maybe also you can put, okay, normally in the engineering, they always use maybe we put the surah, Okay, maybe Surah Al-Baqarah. Okay, Al-Baqarah, word or sentence what? Okay, 23 or something. Okay, so this you need to refer how they cite any what we call it quote in any surah in Holy Quran. Okay, or some of the non-engineering, okay, non-engineering, they will produce in the footnote. Okay, in the footnote. So here they will put, okay, the other way, there's a letter actually. I want to introduce you how to use the footnote. Okay, maybe example here, all right. Here, for example, ABC here, okay, we want to insert the footnote. Okay, it's a references here, insert footnote here, insert footnote. Okay, so they will produce here, okay, number 2 footnote. Okay, automatically they will produce you here. Okay, if I okay, footnote number 2. Okay, you can say, okay, Al-Quran, okay, okay, Al-Quran, okay, so Al-Baqarah, okay, word 23, let's say. Okay, so this is not engineering normally. Okay, they have a footnote here. Okay, footnote here. Okay, this is the other style. Okay, you can use the footnote. So they explain or you cite this word, okay, from what sources, okay, and you have a footnote here. Okay, so this also another way. Okay, so better you try to follow, okay, which that you see any style, okay, in others journal or other thesis, okay, you can also create on that. Okay, otherwise you can use this style, okay, this style. Okay, so it also depend on how you want to follow. Okay, basically that is must have a citation from where, okay, who or where the source. Okay, so it's like clear mentioned in your writing. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Right. So another part there, just now, okay, still in the same topic, insert table, figures, and equation. Okay, for example here, equation. Okay, for example here, I say I want to put the equation. Okay, equation here. Okay, clear all. Okay, equation here. Let's say for equation here. If you want to insert equation, the same step, you insert 2 column and 1 row. Okay, 2 column and 1 row. And then you want to insert the references, the equation. Okay, the same style, the same step with figure and table. Okay, click references, insert caption. Okay, and change label to equation. Okay, equation. And numbering, include chapter number. Okay, the same thing, include format and include chapter number and click OK. And click OK. All right. This is the equation 1. Okay, equation. So we also have this one. Okay, equation. Where is the equation? Paragraph, caption. Yeah, equation. Okay, equation number here. Okay, equation. Okay, or equation number. All right. All right. There's you put in the left corner, okay, or the center here. All right. So this equation you just highlight and put into the second column, okay, and then you need to click the equation number, and then you delete the equation word. You just have this one, okay, bracket. You just put bracket. This one you need to do manually. And this one, okay, you maybe have any equation, okay, you can insert any equation here. Okay, for example here, any equation here, all right. For example, which one? Okay. Okay, for example here, okay, this equation, okay, and then highlight here, no need, okay, no border. Okay, no border. So this equation. So if you have long question, so you can reposition or you can adjust the size of this column. Okay, so it's a number. Okay, So the same style. If you have other equation as well, okay, you just copy this one. Okay, Control C, and put the equation here. Okay, sorry, Control V. Okay, and you update this one. Update. Sorry. Okay, update. Okay, update this one. Right click and update field. Okay, 3.2. Okay, you repeat the same procedure, the same step. Okay, equation, tables, and figures. Okay, so we don't have the equation word. Okay, just number. Okay, for equation. Okay, and then it's an equation. All right, the same step. Okay, all right. Insert footnote. Just now I already mentioned to you. Okay, cross reference. Okay, why cross reference? Okay, this is one also that you try to, I encourage you to use this cross reference. Okay, why cross reference? Okay, actually, if you want to explain, okay, or describe any tables, any text, any figure, okay, normally we explain the figure, explain the tables, okay, and the explanation, okay, straightly go to that specific tables, okay, and then we need to use this what we call here okay, this one. Yeah, this one, if you go at the middle of your file menu, okay, in the references, okay, click the references menu, okay, and the middle, okay, beside the insert caption icon here, they have insert cross reference. Okay, insert cross reference. Okay, so basically we want to explain any figure or any tables, okay, to the specific uh, figure or tables. Okay, so for example here, maybe okay, I just copy, for example, I just copy the text, okay, and just put here, right? For example here, okay, on the tab, on the insert tab, okay, okay, so I want to explain this figure, okay, for example, for figure, and I click this cross reference, right? Okay, they will appear this pop-up. All right, so then you reference type. So what that you want to refer here? Okay, normally here for figure, all right, for figure. So we click for figure. We want to refer this or this explanation. We want to explain this figure. Okay, click the figure, and then here, okay, insert reference to what we want to insert. Okay, normally we want to insert entire label and number. Okay, we not enter the caption. The caption meaning the title of the figure. Okay, so we just choose only label and number. Okay, okay, so now at the bottom here there will appear all the figures in your file. Okay, but now we doing on the figure 3.1. Okay, so you choose figure 3.1 and click insert. Okay, close. Right. So now you can see here there is a highlighted with gray background color. So meaning that there's a link. Okay, there is a link to this figure. Okay, so this the link that I explained. Okay, this figure. Okay, in this text. Okay, and all right. So every time you do your explanation about the figure and table, you need to use this insert cross reference. Okay, why? Okay, why? First, it's easy to us, okay, if later you move, okay, for example, you move this one, okay, we move, okay, I delete this one, okay, I move to, let's say maybe chapter 4. Okay, there's something wrong with section break. Okay, with something wrong with section break should be, okay, this should be here is the code page. Okay, code page. Oh, sorry. Okay, here break is a code page. Okay. Okay, just now I put here, okay, let's say from here, I just put here. Sorry, not this one. Where this photo? Just now I just click. Oh, something wrong here. Again here. What happened? Just now where I just copy. Just now I create into table 3 isn't it? Okay. And I put here. I already changed. Try to undo.
You cut it picture proof. Your picture you cut it, so anywhere you paste.
Yeah, here. Oh no, they already changed this one. Okay, I just undo first. Okay, just now that I created. Okay, not this one. I just want to go back to the example just now. Okay, this one. Okay. why we need to use the cross reference now? Okay, for example here, okay, we already explained for this figure. Okay, and suddenly during your editing, okay, you delete this one. Okay, you want to delete this one. Okay. Okay, and then maybe you put in chapter 2, for example. Okay, for example, I just put here. Okay, Control V. Okay, so now I just highlight this one. Okay, and update field. Okay, so now this figure changed to 2.3. Just now is 3 point something. Okay, so I go back to this text just now. Okay, so I will highlight this link. Okay, right click and update field. So they already changed to figure 2.3. So meaning that this statement, this explanation, okay, already what we call, you already changed the position. Okay, already you shift move the figure into chapter 2. So this explanation no longer belong to this subheading. Okay, you need to copy and paste, okay, into the specific subheading just now we did. Okay, so or maybe we delete. Okay, maybe this one we delete this figure, no more this figure. Okay, then again we go to this one. Okay, highlight, right click, update field. So there will error reference source not found. So meaning that that figure or tables, okay, already deleted. So we know that is they already changed. Okay, you need to remove this one. Okay, no more explain about that specific figure. Okay, so this is in my experience. Okay, what I'm facing this problem. Okay, before I know, okay, or use this cross reference, what happened to me, okay, after I rearrange my chapter 3, okay, the figure, the tables, okay, and then suddenly I realized that all the explanation, okay, already haywire because I already changed all the position, all the position of the table. Okay, I moved the table and rearranged. So that's make me headache, and I need to read okay, again one by one paragraph and relate to the specific paragraph. Okay, that is become what you call, you take longer time, okay, to do your editing. So I encourage you to use the cross reference to explain any table and figure, okay, because of this thing, okay. And another example is my student, I'm a co-supervisor, and when the student discuss with the main supervisor, then supervisor asks this student, okay, to delete some of figures, okay, some of figures, and then they not do the cross reference, okay, during the discussion. Yes, they delete the figure, and then after they come back, okay, you want to rewrite again, okay, so they realize that this statement referred to which figure just now. They cannot recall, okay. So that is important, okay, you to use this cross reference, okay, because you have many figures, tables, and so on, okay. There is a cross reference function, okay. And then the last one is a footnote. Okay, just now I already explained you the footnote. If you want to use the footnote 1, 2, 3, okay. Normally for engineering, normally they don't use the footnote, but most of you maybe engineering student, okay. And the last one, okay, and the last one, okay. Then the last one here, okay, we go to the, all right, list of table of content. Okay, this one
Sorry, doctor.
we just, yeah.
Sorry, doctor, before you go to the last, about appendix, there is not, there is a reference style in the style, but there is no appendix style.
Appendix, sorry, appendix, oh, list of appendix.
Yeah.
Appendix, yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, appendix. Okay, so, all right, so in the appendix, okay, references, okay, references here. Okay, appendix here. Okay, so in the appendix here, what you, okay, they already create on this. Okay, what is suddenly appendix C? Why not have appendix A, B, C? Already left here. Okay, this one for the appendix here. Okay, if you go to the appendix here, they have already created the appendix here. Okay, so if you need to add more appendix, okay, you can click here and then go to the appendix. It's not appear here. Okay. All right. So the other way, okay, you just right click, update field. Okay, so this one is appendix A. So you just see this appendix A. So in this appendix, okay, you just copy this one, copy and paste. Okay, list of application, or you want to create a new appendix. Okay, all right, just enter a bit. Okay, insert the section break next page. Okay, section break next page, okay, and Control V, and this one you update appendix B. Just update, okay, then we create appendix B. Okay, and again, if you want to add one more appendix, okay, the title you can change, okay, to what the related appendix that you want to input, okay, to put in your appendix. Okay, and again here the same thing, insert the break, okay, next page, and just copy for this one, appendix, title, and right click, just update for update field. Okay, so this appendix, so you can create your own appendix, okay, how many appendix that you want to put in. Okay, basically the appendix is most related to your study and most important, maybe some important data, okay, most important data that you maybe you want to add, okay, in this appendix. Not all the data, okay, or not all the data, but the most important data that you want to add, okay, in the appendix, and you explain in the text in the specific chapter. Okay, and then lastly, okay, all right, what that you need to do, okay, just right click, okay, just right click, okay, in this table of content. Okay, just now we just have until chapter 5, okay, but we already created a few chapter. Okay, just what do you need, okay, just right click, update field, Okay, update entire table. You click update entire table, then click OK. All right, so now they already update. Okay, chapter 6, chapter 7, and here references, publication. Okay, and all right. Okay, list of publication. Okay, this one. Okay, then this appendix. This table of content. Then for tables here, again the same thing. Just right click. Okay, put your cursor in any table title. Right click. Okay, right click. Update field. Update field are the entire table. Okay. Okay, so that is the table that we created just now. Okay, automatically they will appear here. Same as figures. Okay, right click, update field. Okay, so they already automatically create here. Okay, and the page number. So very fast. Okay, you just right click and update. Okay, so they will update automatically. So abbreviation just now I mentioned you need to write manually. Okay, and the list of symbols. Okay, all right. Okay, so that is the last one. Okay, the last part if you want to update. Okay, is the table of content. Okay, table of content and table of content, list of table, list of figure. Okay, list of figure. Right?
Doc,
Yeah.
I have one basically like a fundamental question.
Okay.
Let's say I've done my draft thesis using UTM 2018 thesis format.
Okay.
Then you have produced this news format. So what is the easiest way for me to integrate my write-up using the previous 2018 format to this news format?
Okay.
Then I believe maybe in few months time you will produce new format as well.
Yeah.
So this format, after I integrate it into this format, it will become obsolete. So how can I integrate to the newest format, to the newest format, to the newest?
All right. That good question. Okay, the good question. Okay, that's one. Okay. So the first thing, okay, what that you need to do. Okay. All right. First, if you are using Mendeley or you using any reference manager tools, okay, you must change. Okay, you must change the citation style first. Okay, so if you want to in your references manager tools, okay, for example, okay, I change to American Sociological Association 7th edition. Okay, I choose this one. All right, then in your Word files also you need to change. Okay, you need to change this one. I have problem here, is it? Okay, or you need to change here, not this one. Basically this one here. Okay, basically here you can change the APA 7th edition. Okay, you change here. You try to open your you change to your document. Okay, change the style here. Okay, you change to the latest what you call references style here. Normally mine they will change here. Okay, so this one very easy. Okay, this one you not worry much about that. Okay, you just change this one, and then in this file, in this Word file, okay, you change to this. Okay, let's say for here. Okay, mine is not appear. This one. Insert citation line to view the list style. Okay, so maybe this one. Okay, click here. Use this style. Okay, done. All right. Okay, so now. Okay, automatically they will change all the references style according to reference manager tools that you use. Okay, all right. Okay, I repeat again. Okay, I repeat again. Okay, how you want to change the references style? Okay, for later on maybe you might be changed. Okay, rather than you use the APA, you want to change to Vancouver. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, you just change this style. Okay, insert citation to view the style. Okay, I just click this one. okay, they will refer directly to the Mendeley here. Okay, the Mendeley here. Yeah, if because I'm using the Mendeley, so they will go to the Mendeley. Okay, I will change citation style to American Psychological Association 7th edition. So they will synchronize, okay, all the style in this word, okay, automatically they will synchronize, okay, to the APA 7th edition. If I change it to other style, okay, for example, here I change to other style, let's say for this Harvard, okay, let's say Vancouver here, I just change it Vancouver. Okay, I go to the my file, okay, and also, okay, click again this one, automatically they will change to Vancouver. Okay, try to check with the references. Oh, I think here they don't have any references here. Okay, let's say, let me try maybe once, maybe one example. Okay, I think I need to update my my Mendeley rather than this one. Okay.
Actually, Doc, my question
Yeah.
is,
No, Prof.
my
Yeah.
question is, when I've done my draft thesis using UTM thesis format in 2018,
Mm.
right? So currently, what you shows us today is the newest format,
Mm.
right? It just been
Mm.
updated into the SPS website, right?
Mm.
So
Go
what
to
is
the
the easiest way for me to integrate my write-up using the previous format, the old format, 2018 thesis template format, into
oh.
this newest format? Because I believe this newest format will be also obsolete within few months time, because you did mention just now that this format will be updated, right, in few months time. So there will be a changes here and there, maybe a bit or maybe
Yeah.
not a bit,
Yeah.
maybe more. So what is the easiest way? Because of we are hand in our thesis in 1 year time, then might probably the format will be updated. I mean the thesis template format, not the reference format.
Yep.
So how is the easiest way? What is the
Okay.
easiest way for us to integrate?
Okay. So I'm not even try once for that, but I for those student asked me before. Okay, I sent to my one of the proofreader, okay, proofreader, and do the UTM formatting style. Okay, so I not do my own. Okay, but they told me that, okay, from they have, I'm not sure, okay, how they did, okay, but from the format, okay, that you did in the previous one, that they also can transform to the new format using the template, the existing template, okay, because they attend the course, okay, for that. I'm not sure how they did, but but it can do, okay, to transform easily. Okay,
So meaning that our proofreader, if we paid the proofreader can do it for us.
yes.
All right.
That's
Okay.
why
Thank you.
that, yeah. If you ask me, I not yet do on that. I don't know yet try, but I believe it can. Okay, it can. Maybe the proofreader also do the formatting. They do the formatting only. They do the formatting, and also they have the service for the proofread. Okay, that's why I didn't know. Okay, I not yet try. Okay, because I don't have this problem before. Okay, but I already discussed and tell and what you call channel this student to this proofreader, and she did on that. So and she also don't teach me how to do that, but I believe I can. It can, okay. So but if you can, maybe after this, I need to Google and learn my own, okay, how to convert, okay, from the previous format to the new format, okay, because we use at the template, then automatically this one very fast. Okay, automatically they will transform the old format to the new format. Okay, I believe on that part they have on that, but I never tried before. Okay, so I believe they have, but because I know that is she did on that. Okay, so I don't know, maybe they have specific way how they did. Okay, so that's why maybe this maybe she provide this service for us, okay, to convert. Okay, that's why maybe you can try to ask any proofreader, okay, for the formatting. So maybe they have idea, or they know about how to convert on that to the latest one. Okay, rather than just now, if you want to change the citation style, only the citation style, but all the formatting style still remain or the previous one, but you use this conversion, okay, all they will convert to the latest format. Okay, so yeah, maybe it's a good question. Maybe one of the required, maybe some of students doing their own last time. Now they have the new template, and later maybe they have revision on this template. So how to convert it? Okay, so maybe there's a good question, and later maybe it's one of the good for me to know how they did on that. Okay, how to convert, how to transform easily. Okay, like the phone just now, nowadays the phone, you want to copy all the data to the new phone, they have a software on that. You attach, got the Bluetooth, okay, then they will read and connect to the new phone, and all the data will transfer easily. Okay, same as this method. Okay, since we now use the Word 365 and so on, there are many function on that, but I not explore on that. But thank you very much. Okay, maybe that's a good thing if I can know extra about how to convert, okay, in the new format easily. Thank you. So that I cannot show because I didn't do okay any samples before. Okay, so maybe you can try to ask any proofreader, okay, or service formatting service. Okay, maybe they can help. Maybe can assist you. Okay.
Doktor,
Yeah.
boleh saya tanya,
Mm-hmm.
jika untuk proposal defense, template ni kita gunakan juga ketika proposal defense.
Masa proposal defense. Okay.
Kan kita hanya buat chapter 1, 2 dan 3. Bagaimana untuk kita ubah suai chapter 4 dan chapter 5 tu?
Okay.
Untuk proposal defense.
Boleh. So macam ni. If you want to do that, okay, normally you just use this template. Okay, this template, you produce your proposal up to chapter 4. Chapter 4 only for expected finding. Okay, and the rest chapter, okay, you just save as. Okay, for example here, okay, you do your own here. Okay, Azman thesis. Okay, just now A. Okay, this one number 2. Okay, save. All right. So the existing file, you don't need to change anything. Okay, the second file that you saved just now as number 2, okay, you delete the other chapter. Okay, chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7, and you just remain references. Okay, so and that file, then you convert to PDF. Okay, then you can send to your supervisor or your panel. Some of okay, but recently when I evaluate the proposal from master project and master research, they need to produce like a simple proposal in for journal format at the recent style. But for me, okay, if student ask me what the format that they need to submit to me, I just say that you remain that whatever that you already did. Okay, so because I'm will evaluate the student, okay, based on the content, not on the format. Okay, but the postgraduate office ask you to submit the proposal to them. Okay, so basically previously you can submit chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4 expected finding to postgraduate office for the proposal. Okay, and then you can then you also can submit to the panel. Okay, but recently they ask the student to produce very what we call very general the proposal. It's not as a thesis, but like the journal conference paper. Okay, just a few heading. Okay, and that is a proposal. Okay, so better this one check again okay, to the SPS what they required you to produce the proposal. Okay, for last time we just use the existing that you have been produced by this UTM TESI format. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you for the very impactful and meaningful sharing session. I think, is there anything else that Doctor want to share with us?
So, not I think
Excuse me.
okay. Yeah.
Saya ada satu soalan. Bila saya dah update table of content, dia keluar yang dot, lepas tu baru muka surat. Macam mana tu?
Oh, yang itu. Okay. So, ini more on related to your what we call words. Word. Kalau mine, they don't have that problem. Okay. If you see here, they don't have a problem here. Okay. So maybe, okay, this is why they have many problems before, okay, happen, okay. So maybe what you need to do, okay, you go to this area, okay, file under, okay, under references menu, okay, references menu, they have table of content at the left top corner here. Okay, table of content, you click table of content, all right. So custom table of content. Okay, you go at the bottom, they have custom table of content. All right. You can see here the tab leader here. You change the tab leader for none. Okay. Just now maybe this one. Okay, so you change to none. Okay, and then okay. Replace all this table. Okay. So you can try on that. Is it work?
Alright, thank you, Doctor.
Okay, all right. All right, so that's all for me. Okay, so for those who want to join this closed group for auto-generated thesis writing workshop, okay, a lot of sharing document and information from postgraduate student in this group. Okay, actually this closed group, okay, for who want to share their knowledge, share the information. Okay, so you can use this platform, and some of them also already graduated, and some of them is a proofreader. Okay, do the service, so you can ask them, and also maybe what our friend just now asked about the formatting to transform the new format. Maybe some of them know about that. Okay, so maybe you can also get the new friend, and maybe can also assist you and doing your writing. Okay, so
Professor.
yeah.
Sorry. How can we be a member of Mandiri group at least for teaching other students?
How to be Mendeley advisor?
Yeah, Mandiri advisor.
You want to be the Mendeley advisor? Okay,
Yes.
you need to go to the Mendeley website. Okay, they have some step that you need to fulfill, okay, to be a Mendeley advisor. Okay, meaning that if you are qualified as a Mendeley advisor, you have what we call, you have benefit to you. Then you have many information that you can explore, okay, in the Mendeley groups, okay, and the Mendeley supervisor, they have one community for the Mendeley advisor direct to the Mendeley founder and Mendeley secretariat. So a lot of things benefit to you, and you can also can share all the information and something to your colleague. then they have the step, they have the form, they have the requirement on that. Okay, if you go to the Google, you can type Mendeley advisor, then straightforward go to the link, so you can go through the link and apply for the Mendeley advisor. Okay.
Thank you, Professor. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah. Okay,
Alright.
yeah, so that's all for today. All right, so hopefully if anyone have any question or later maybe you face some problem, okay, because maybe I believe sometime you feel during your writing, okay, sometimes disappears like a weird and something that something happen, okay, a lot although always sometimes is always reflect to or generated by your own computer, and sometimes many things happen, okay. So if you have I cannot solve your computer problem okay, but maybe for that that your file, okay, appear something that maybe unnecessary. So I try to assist you, okay, to try to what you call to assist you, okay, to rectify maybe some of things, okay, but maybe that that I can, so I can also what we call assist you on that. Okay, you can take you can write my email, okay. My email Azman Mohammed, AZMAN. In this beginning, I think I have this one. Oh, no, I don't have this one. Okay. Okay,
Doctor.
you can, yeah, you can write my email, okay, Azman Mohammed, AZMAN MOHAMED .KL@UTM.my. So I will write in the chat box here, I think.
Yes, Doctor. Doctor, I have one question. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry about the grammar. The grammar in the our thesis, are you the British or you use the American? Because the really grammar we have a problem while we use our UTM thesis and we write the thesis. If you use the check of spelling, we don't know which one we use, USA or British. Thank you.
Okay. If you ask me, okay, you can choose which one that you want to follow from the beginning. Others supervisor, they encourage you to use the British English. Others lecturer, other supervisor, they don't mind. If you want to choose the American English, so from the beginning you're writing until the end, you use the English term. You use the US English term. You US English word, okay, or British. So depend on you, okay. Depend on you and your supervisor, okay. Then in UTM thesis guideline, it didn't mention, okay, which English that you want to follow, British or American. Okay, so up to you. Okay.
Hello, doctor. May
Yeah.
I ask question?
Yes.
Doctor, it might be some awkward question for you, but sorry, I don't know. That's why I'm asking that what interface you are using. I mean, on what Microsoft MS Word 10, 11, Windows 11, 10, what means on what you are using all the presentation to make the thesis. This thing is confusing me.
Okay, so for Word, okay, Word file. Okay, so now the previous one I'm using the Word 2000 2010. Is it Word 2010? Yeah, Word 2010. Okay, 2010. And now I'm using the 365. Okay, Word 365.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so
doctor. So very
yeah,
nice of you.
yeah. 2010 also can. Okay.
Alright.
Window or Word? Window or Word? Is IMAX? Is it? I have a Windows 2010. Is it Word 2010? Is it Word
No,
2010?
not many knows that we can get Windows 365 for free from
Yes.
UTM.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes. I think you also can go to the UTM UTM digital, that
Software center.
you can request for the Word 365, I think.
Yeah, sure, Dr.
Yeah, you have that. You as a student, you can get that. Or otherwise, okay, I'm just use 365. Before this, I'm using Word 2010, I think 2010. Okay, this because I just changed my notebook. Okay, a few months ago. Okay, previously I used 2010. Yeah, 2010.
Okay. I'm so sorry that actually we have exceeded the webinar time limit. So can we just come to an end for this session, Doctor?
Yes, sure.
All right. Because okay. For those who have any more questions for Doctor, you can email to Doctor, right, Doctor?
Yes.
Okay. I think that is all for today. We are very much delighted and appreciate that Doctor can share his knowledge and time with us. And also, we hope that all of the participants get some ideas about ways to use this UTM template. But before we end this meeting, can everyone please open the camera for us to take a group photo for this session, and also don't forget to fill in the questionnaire for the attendance. And also we want when you fill in the questionnaire, we also will give you the slide and also the recording link. I hope that everyone can open the camera.
Okay, hello. So I'm going to take photos. So I get, since we have many participants, so I might need some time to screenshot all of you. Okay, so hold on first. Okay, still need some time. Sorry. Okay, next group. Me. Okay. Okay, I think I got all of this. Yeah. I guess I've got all of you. So yeah, Shaira can take me.
Maybe for those in the campus, okay, actually you can come to my room, okay, C09318, okay, for maybe you need any assistance or discussion later on, you can come to my room.
All right. All right. Thank you, everyone. We are very happy that you guys managed to join our podcast, and also very much thank you to Dr. Azman Muhammad for the sharing session. And again, thank you and see you. And on behalf of the committee members, I apologize for any inconvenience that may have been made by us. All right. Thank you very much. All right. See you. Bye.
Terima kasih, Doctor. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
Doctor.
okay. Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Salam.
Thank you, Doctor.
Salam.
Doktor, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Selamat tinggal.
Assalamualaikum, Doctor.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Really interested. Thank you very much. I hope your good life successfully every time. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you, Kasim. Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Goodbye, everybody.
Okay, thank you, Lim.
Thank you, Doctor, for everything, and see you later, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you so much.